Hey guys, so we have here our Samsung Galaxy Watch. In this case, this is the Active 2. And in this video, we want to explain to you how to replace here the wristband for one of these watches. This is pretty easy. Just as soon as you open up the band here, look at the bottom at the end where it's connected to the watch. You see this little lever here. I'm going to pull down on that, and then we can lift off the one side and then really easily remove the entire band here. We're going to repeat this on the other side, opposite side as well. Okay, so then when we want to reinstall our new band, then we have to also look for this little lever again. And we're going to start out by inserting this pin here on the opposite side of the band right into that hole. And now we have to be pushing this lever in just a little bit, and then we can kind of squeeze that into the holder here of the watch until that pin clips into position. So at that point, see, it just happened where the lever just pushes back out here to the right, and that means it's now locked in place. We should double check that by pulling lightly on the band, and then we're going to repeat this on the opposite side as well, of course. So first the one pin on the one side opposed to the lever, and then we pull on the lever, put the pin right into the correct position until the lever disengages. Like, see, bang, that's when it expands, and then we double check that everything's okay. And that was already it here for the video. Hope you found the information helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.